Experiencing lag spikes in PUBG can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce lag and enhance your performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient bandwidth. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for better performance. Lower the graphics settings, reduce the resolution, and disable unnecessary features like motion blur and shadows. This can help the game run more smoothly on your system. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching PUBG, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or file downloads can consume bandwidth and processing power, leading to lag. Step 4. Update drivers in game. Ensure that your graphics card drivers and the game itself are up to date. Developers often release patches and updates that can improve performance and fix bugs. Check for updates regularly to keep everything running smoothly. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If you are currently using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections typically provide more stability and lower latency compared to wireless connections, which can significantly reduce lag spikes. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gameplay experience. Enjoy playing PUBG with reduced lag and better performance.